I'd like to talk to you about obesity. I know it's difficult to talk about weight, but in medical terms, obesity is a technical word to describe when your weight is a threat to your health. But I know it carries a stigma with it, and it can feel pretty miserable when you're told you're obese. There are some links at the end of this film that you might like to have a look at. For now, I'd like you to meet somebody who has experience of obesity, and with it, type 2 diabetes.
My name's Jill. I've got diabetes. I've had it for about 12 years now. I think the first thing the doctor said was my weight had to be addressed. It's quite funny actually when I go to my diabetic checkups and things. Everyone seems to carry the weight on the stomach. You know, they're fairly good all around their body except for the stomach, so it is very classic, especially with men. Exercise is really important. Fitting it in, I think, with work and different things and children, grandchildren, what have you, is quite hard, but there's no excuse.
There's a traffic light system on some foods that you might have seen. If the saturated fat segment is red, then it's too high, so steer clear. Try and avoid anything over 5 grams in 100 grams. When it comes to sugars, check the labels. Try and remember that about 6 grams is a teaspoon. So this yoghurt is low fat, great, but it's got 4 teaspoons of sugar in it. Carbs. Keep those carbs to a portion that covers only a quarter of the plate. Controlling them will help to keep your blood sugar levels more stable. We're learning more and more about obesity, and once you are overweight, it seems that other factors take over in your body to make it even harder to lose weight and control your diabetes. So no one is underestimating the struggle that you might be having to make a change in your lifestyle. But once you know what you're up against, then it might be easier to take small steps to making the changes that can make you feel better and live more healthily. National organisations are working hard to lobby food producers to reduce the sugar in drinks and food, making fast food less available. Those battles are going on. Meanwhile, I really care about you and your health. And if you have children, remember that what you eat will be copied by your children. For more advice on diets and ideas for low-cost healthy eating, take a look at these websites.